305, I got us. On my way to making checks with double commas. Piling up to blow a couple bags with all y'all. And crush you ever wishing I come back when I'm done. Step before I get harm done. Hit that lift for my soul.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying to make pasta again for the second time. If you haven't seen my first video, go check it out. We're using the same ingredient. Water is what we're going to be using. Okay guys, so the difference is just going to be the fact that I'm going to use my water. I'm just going to make a little hole in the middle. Okay guys, let's not look at how ridiculous my head looks right now. Let's just pretend like we don't see it. Yeah, just keep moving. Guys, all of this cooking is the reason I look so big. I know most of you haven't seen how I look necessarily, but blaming it on quarantine. It's quarantine. We all have the quarantine syndrome. So we have an egg in the middle. Just close in the this is a mess. I need to roll down my sleeves. Don't come for me. Oil. Try to close it up. And again, it's morning time, guys, so I don't know. Here's the water. This time I'm not fighting the dough. I'm just gonna put water in there. Just let it be. Sticky.
Bridges burning, got thoughts insanely enlarged. Ain't no going back, ain't for boss, man. I'm
Roll it up. Flip.
on. City on my back, y'all be breaking my falls. Death to me, man, I swear that we be in charge. Who the one who killed though?
I think I need a bit more. Oh, here's some powder. Do that thing. Okay, let's go. Okay, this one I believe it's perfect. I think that recipe low-key lied to us because they didn't mention any water, and yet the dough looks beautiful with water. Okay, guys, now you're closer to me. I don't know, it looks way better than it was the first time.
West down for a little bit. Wanna get a couple rounds with your main chick. You don't wanna hear how she sound when she flip this. Hey, oh, is that a frown? Is you big lip? Do you wanna hit a pound when I spit this? Wanna write my name down on your hit list? Damn, I set it off with this real shit. And I should just forget all the girls that I dated. It was amazing, believing it. Just updated my thoughts of you being crazy. Connect with a nigga blazing. They stay with a focus data. Afraid of you saying anything about me. Need saving, so fuck it, I'm only aiming up.
One eternity later.
Raising savings, super rare like they paying up into better days. And I believe in the working hard and I haven't laying. Underrated, young nigga killing without them blazing. No faking, nigga. Man, you're faded. Boss, faded. Bros, faded. Man, your life is so faded. Talk about cream, faded. Nigga, your time, faded. All of these games, faded. All I wanna give is a made. A couple roles I don't care about. Fuck a nigga gotta do to be in the mouth. Got a lot of reason why I shut down. I've been at the top, you can handle the ground. Hey, niggas ever trying to give me a foul?
I rolled the pasta that I cut out from the center of it, and I rolled it outwards. It gave that smooth round look. So you can do that as well, but you're in control. You can do whatever shape, whatever size you like. It's all up to you.
Knowing they can never just handle my
And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
when I hand me the crown. A dope and awesomeness in my system. Y'all the ones with eyes from a distance. Probably die if I keep pretending that I like y'all with y'all bitch existence. If that ain't it, then I is offended. Flip the shits and y'all is the witnesses. I'm too A1, this ain't no joke. I do repeat that I still.
So guys, the water is boiling. I'm gonna throw these, and they look so sticky now. When am I gonna finish pouring these things in there? Okay, this is not working out. Should have thrown them in an orderly fashion. What if I just threw them like this? Who would know? Who would know? Look at that. They're tangled up in themselves. Throwing it in as it is. So guys, to avoid your pasta being tangled, try powdering it with some flour while you put it there to avoid it from sticking together. And then at the bottom is the OGs that are still thick. I wonder how this is gonna turn out. Ah, the water went in my eye. Okay, I'm just throwing it as it is because okay, that's a mess. That's a total mess. Not cool, man. Not cool. There I am trying to untangle. It low-key reminds me of noodles, ramen noodles. Low-key. Yes. We're just gonna wait for this to boil. And yeah. Okay, the pasta is boiling. I'm excited. Nice. I like it a lot. Yes, there are bits and pieces that you can see that they're bigger than others, but I guess we'll call these noodles, I guess. We'll just call them noodles.
Let's go down, but I never been a dope dealer. Dope was I because I've always kept it cold with you. Always like it when I'm seen it.
Take it and pour it in my sauce. Ooh, and it's very spicy and hot. So pretty. This was so awesome, guys. I hope it was very helpful for you and you can now make pasta. Like, it feels good knowing that I can do this now. Like, it's awesome. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you want to, of course. Like, if you really want to, you know. So yeah, till next time.
Bonus from the fucking fan plus.